So today I want to talk about a minor pentatonic scale and then use that scale to generate a chord and then use that chord to represent many different chords. So we're getting a lot of possibilities out of a simple minor pentatonic scale. The scale I want to use, D, F, G, A, C. That's the D minor pentatonic scale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take every other note and stack this up. So D, I'm going to skip F and go to G, skip A and go to C, skip D and go to F, skip G and go to A. So it's the same notes, it's just they're spread out. This particular chord is called the so what voicing. You could also think of it as a perfect fourth, perfect fourth, perfect fourth with a major third. It's called So What because of the Miles Davis song, So What, and this was the piano chord. But we're going to use this chord in a different way. We're going to use it as the voicing of many different chords, and then with this chord, we can use the notes of that minor pentatonic scale to improvise. Okay? Now, this chord can represent many different chords depending on what you put in the bass note. For example, there's a D here. It can be sort of a D minor-ish kind of chord. It could be with a G in the bass, like a G sus 7 type of chord. We can put an F in the bass. It's an F major 6. We could put a C in the bass. So many different notes will work with this. Some don't sound very good. Like if I do this with an A flat, because there's too many clashes like these notes with the A flat. But B flat sounds really good with it. Because it sounds like a major 7. E flat sounds awesome with it. Because it gives you this sharp 11 feel. So we've taken this scale here, we've used it to create this chord, and now we're going to use this chord with different bass notes to create an improvisation. Now, we can also then use notes, any notes from that minor pentatonic scale in the right hand. And some things you might think about, like you see there's an F major triad right here in the right hand. So you could go, you could do that and throw a bass note under it. And that's just directly from that voicing. So here's a short improvisation using this minor pentatonic scale, and then the voicing, the so what voicing, and different bass notes.